Hazrat Ubaidullah radiyallahu anhu states, when the Slenders imposed calumny on her, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam summoned Hazrat Ali bin Abu Talib and Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu. When the revelation was late, so he sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked and consulted them both about separating his wife. Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu whereupon gave a clue which implied that he knew the chastity of his wife. And Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not impose any constraint upon you in this regard. And there are many other women saves her. Ask this slave girl, she will tell you the reality. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam asked her, Hazrat Barira radiyallahu anha, have you noticed anything suspicious in her character? She submitted, I have not observed anything more objectionable in her than that she is a quite young girl and sometimes she sleeps while kneading the floor. So a goat comes and eats it up. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam thereafter stood up on the pulpit and said, O Muslims, who amongst you will support me against that person who has teased me regarding my wife? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I don't find anything except rectitude in my wife. He radiyallahu anhu then mentioned the exoneration of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Abu Moosa has also reported the same from Hisham. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7369.